Welcome to the Level 3A Listening Challenges. Today we're going to listen to different types of simple meter. Turn to the Let's Listen page in Challenge 3 of your workbook. Meter refers to a pattern of beats in a piece of music. It shows how the beats are grouped in sets of 2, 3, or 4, and which beats are naturally strong or weak. Musicians often speak about feeling a meter, which refers to hearing the music's natural rhythmic pulse. Listen to this piece of music. Without seeing the written score, you would have no way of knowing the time signature. Is it 3/4 or 3/8, or even 3/2 or 3/16? However, you can tell that the meter is triple. Triple meter has groups of 3 beats. The first beat in each group is strong, and the others are weak. This is often referred to as a waltz pattern. Strong, weak, weak, 1, 2, 3. You might have also noticed that the rhythm in the previous example fell into a long, short pattern, which is also common in triple meter music. It can be tricky to figure out a meter when there is only a single melody line. Let's make things clear by adding a rhythmic bass pattern. Triple meter often uses what's called a waltz bass, which sounds like this. Another common bass pattern in triple meter are broken chords. Let's listen to the melody again with the rhythmic bass added. Now you can more clearly hear the strong, weak, weak pattern in the bass line. Perhaps the most common meter is quadruple meter, which is found in 4/4 or common time. This has pairs of strong and weak beats. The pattern is strongest on beat 1, weak on beat 2, medium strong on beat 3, and weak on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think of a march. Left, right, left, right. You can hear that the rhythms of the melody fall into even groups of beats. Long, long, short, short, long. But let's listen to the example again with an added rhythmic bass pattern. Popular bass patterns in quadruple meter include Alberti bass, and a stride or march bass. Listen to the down, up, strong, weak pattern of the melody again with the added bass line. Now it's your turn to listen and decide on the meter you hear. I will play a piece written in either simple triple, 3/4, or simple quadruple, 4/4 meter. You decide what time signature belongs with the example and circle the correct answer. If you aren't sure, imagine yourself marching or waltzing to the beat. Pay special attention to patterns of strong and weak accents, especially in the bass line. I will play each example twice and then show you the answer. Let's begin. Here's example 1. Let's listen to example 1 again. Did you guess triple meter? If you weren't sure, listen to the bass line by itself and count the strong, weak, weak pattern. If this piece was actually written in quadruple time, the bass line would have pairs of strong and weak beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it would feel more symmetrical, like a march. Now let's go to example 2. Here's example number 2 again. Did you guess quadruple meter? You can hear the 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern clearly at the start of the example. Here's what the piece would sound like if it was written in a triple meter instead. Let's try example number 3. Here's number 3 again. This example is triple meter. Listen to the waltz bass pattern by itself. Now for example number 4. Sometimes there isn't a clear pattern like a stride or waltz in the bass line. Listen closely and notice when the lower notes play. The bass notes tend to happen on strong beats. Here's example 4 one more time. This example is in quadruple meter. The left hand plays on beats 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's listen to example number 5. This example is trickier because it has a more melodic bass line rather than a rhythmic pattern. Try counting groups of strong and weak beats. Are they groups of 3 or groups of 4? It can help to tap along or count out loud. Here's example number 5 one more time. This example was in 3/4. Let's hear example 6. Here's example 6 one more time. This example was in 4/4.